course, it won't do it now. But we're gonna learn how to replace the battery in this damn key, because it keeps saying it's not able to locate the key. So we're gonna replace the battery in both keys actually. Oh my God! All camera, this shit did not work at all. Either way, we're about to replace the battery on both keys, and it takes 2032. So, be right back. Let's get to it. Okay, so got me two Audi keys. Key 1, key 2, doesn't really matter. There we go. This is for a 2007 Audi S8. So this should work for anything from like anything that key look like that. So do a little switchblade key. Turn it over to where the alley rings are on the back. Mine are missing. But basically at the bottom of the key, away from, at the bottom of the fob, away from the key. Gonna hold this part right here. And basically I just put it back like that. Here is our battery. Needs to be nice and old and well used. Definitely got money's worth out of that one. Now if I can only get it out. Alright, just like in the last one. Back to the trusty knife. I don't recommend you using a knife. So the battery is CR2032. Went to the local Harbor Freight. I already did one. And if you see on my other video, we did the SRT one. This is my other key. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one too because that claim just dead. So basically, I'm just gonna push that down like that with the words facing me. Take the cap, press it back on. There you go. If you didn't catch that the first time, I'm gonna do it on the other one. Key out, bottom side. Hold the key, pull it over. There's your battery. Don't do like me and use a knife, but get you something in there and go pick it out. I don't believe the knife is the best option, it's just my only option right now. Come on. There we go. Got it out. Alright, it's out. Same battery. CR2032. Words up. Sit it in there like that. Press your top back on and your cap back on. And there you go. Well, while I got you, I'm going to go ahead and do the SRT key. Hit the little spring on the back. Take the actual physical key out. I'm not going to use a knife this time. See, I'm going to cut myself. But anyway, right here along this line is where you want to separate. So separate along that line. There's our key. Excuse me, there's our battery. Battery's out. The battery's in. Press it back together like so. Physical key back in. Bing bong. That's it. So just that quickly, in about 2 minutes, I did 2 Audi keys and 1 Jeep key. Same battery. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we back. Let's see if this shit actually works. Let's see if it actually works. Gonna go out here, got my brand new battery and my key. See if this works. See if it works from a distance. Hit the button. Not shit yet. Let's get a little closer. Not shit yet. A little closer. Oh, we got something. See if it unlocks. It unlocks. Look for that little yellow light right there. There we go. No programming. Get in. Hold on a second, I'll put bag on. Just gonna get in. Just gonna just sit there right there. Bing bang. Start right up, no programming, no lights, no warning signs. Bing bang. We did that. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Easy money, man. Easy money. So that's how you replace the key on your, the battery on your Audi key fob. This is a 2007, so anything I'm thinking similar to this particular key fob should work. And you'll be good to go. It's Chris with Team McMath. Please like, comment, subscribe, leave a message. Tell me I did great shit. Tell me I was a piece of shit. Tell me I did fucked up, but tell me something. You know what I'm saying? You could have been anywhere in the world, but your ass was right here with me. Peace.